Okay, good morning, student.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
Fine. I'm fine, bro.
Yeah, I hope you always care about your health at home, yeah. And don't forget to use your masks if you go outside. And don't forget to wash your hand, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us pray together. Ayo kita berdoa dulu sebelum kita mulai pelajaran. Berdoa, mulai. Finish. Selesai. Now, we will learn about procedure text. Yeah. I will share screen to you first. Ibu akan share screen. Ada the learning purpose of our lesson today. Tujuan pembelajaran hari ini yaitu kalian bisa lihat di screen-nya Ibu. Ya. Yang pertama merinci susunan struktur teks. Yang kedua mengklasifikasi unsur kebahasaan language features dari suatu teks procedures. Oke, bisa dibaca ya?
Bisa.
Oke. Before that, let us watch the video ya.
Welcome to English channel for 9th grader. Now we are going to talk about procedure text manual. Well, students, what do you know about procedure text? Yes, it tells readers on how to make something or do a task. What language features do we use in procedure text? Simple present tense, imperative sentences, action verbs, connectives, adverbial phrase, and noun phrase. The generic structure of procedure text is goal or aim, material or ingredients, steps or methods. But for a manual, we don't need material or ingredients. There are kinds or types of procedure text like recipe.
That's about
Procedure text.
ya, procedure text ya. That's good, Handa. Di sini kita akan fokus ke manual ya. Jenis-jenis procedure text itu ada banyak, ada recipe, tips, tutorial, manual ya. Di sini akan kita fokus ke manualnya. What is manual? And what is the purpose of manual ya? Manual is instruction how to do something or how to operate something through a sequence of step order ya. Manual text procedure itu adalah suatu instruksi yang memberitahu kita bagaimana cara untuk mengoperasikan sesuatu ya dalam sequence of step ya, dalam urutan step-stepnya ya, ada tahap-tahapannya ya. You understand? Di sini ada both manual and recipe are types of procedure ya. And the second is material optional. Di sini di dalam manual, materialnya itu optional. Bisa diisi atau bisa tidak diisi material ya. Bisa material. Apa itu? And the step. Step apa?
Langkah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, the next. Language feature of procedure text is, language feature itu kebahasaan dari procedure text, yaitu the first is, you can see the slide? Ya?
Yeah.
Can you read it? Bisa mengerti sampai di sini? Ya? Oke, let's
Ya, Bu.
continue. Ada contohnya. Di sana ada aim. Aim-nya how to operate a vacuum cleaner, ya.
Ya.
Nah, tujuannya apa? Itu tujuannya how to operate apa?
Vacuum cleaner.
Iya, that's good. Di sana ada juga conjunction-nya.
After, next. Third.
Ya, that's good. Action verb-nya itu ada apa saja? Sini. Action verb-nya apa? Ada apa? Press, ya. Lagi?
Move,
Ya, that's good. Lagi satu?
make.
Ya, thank you, Cynthia. Good, student. Okay, now. Ya, silakan kerjakan ini. Yang activity 1, kalian bisa lihat?
Bisa.
Ya. Dikerjakan dulu. Waktunya 15 menit. Sudah cukup. Sekarang kita jawab. Number 1, who can answer? Maybe Cynthia?
On the handphone.
Yeah, that's good. Number 1, the answer is?
First, open the cover of the
Yeah, open.
handphone.
Open the. Now work with your group and please do activity 2, ya. The leader of the group. Cara menjawabnya, ya. Di sana kan ada teks di atasnya, di atas tabel itu kan ada teks teks manual, ya. Terus kalian harus mengidentifikasi language feature-nya, language feature dari manual text, ya, mengidentifikasi language feature dari manual text. Kalimat pertama, contohnya itu kalimat pertama, temporal conjunction-nya ada first, ya. Let us answer the question. Ya, Cynthia.
Performance, the was remember a larger law. Temporal.
Temporal conjunction.
Temporal conjunction. Thirdly.
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 Ya.
Simple present performance.
Yeah. Okay, I think you already understand about it. So next, the other group, we resume our lesson today. What we learned today? What we have learned today?
Text manual.
Yeah, that's good. Tentang text manual. And then?
Steps.
Yeah, that's good. The step. Oke, jadi kalian sudah mengerti tentang manual text. Sekarang kalian Ibu bagi menjadi 4 grup, terus membuat pekerjaan rumah. Masing-masing grup membuat 1 manual procedure text, ya, yang mudah kalian lakukan di rumah. Kemudian, buatlah video singkat mengenai manual procedure text yang kalian buat menggunakan aplikasi edit video yang gampang digunakan di HP ataupun menggunakan aplikasi TikTok video. Close our lesson today. Let us pray together, ya. Sebelum kita menutup pelajaran, mari kita berdoa dulu. The pray start. The pray finish.